how to use Claude Code to make the game like this one, with the full graphics, the full power of true game engine like Unity engine. This is very simple. We will use AI Game Developer. This is a free tool that allows you to use the full power of Unity engine and in the future Unreal Engine and Godot with Claude Code or any other AI agent. It's very flexible and gives the full access to the engine itself. AI agent can read, AI agent can write. So let's get started. Let's install it. Click on the download plugin button, or if you want, you can use CLI command line to install the stuff for you. It also may install your Unity editor if you don't have any and create a project for you. That's very flexible and works pretty cool. Or you can click download installer and open the file. As soon as you open the file, you will see this window. It's installation, so you just need to click import button right here in the bottom right corner. When this is done, you will see this window after recompilation in the Unity project. In this window, you will need to choose your AI agent. In my case, this is Claude Code, and then click Authorize. It's opened the web page. You would need to create an account here. And let's click Authorize. And this is going to be done in a second. That's it. And then the second step is to enable skills. Click on this button or on this checkbox. As soon as skills are enabled, that's it. The installation is completed. Then let's launch Claude Code. Important point. When you launch Claude Code or any other AI agent, you need to do that in the folder of the project, of the Unity project. There is a simple shortcut how you can open that in the terminal. Terminal is actually not required to use. You can use any kind of AI agent. It could be in Visual Studio Code. It could be wherever. It doesn't matter. It works the same everywhere. So as soon as we have the proper location right here, this folder of my project, we can start Claude here. Let's do that. And that's done. So the Claude is going, and we can like hit one command, like create a cube at position 0, 3, 0. Let's hit enter. So in a couple of seconds, Claude Code gonna create a cube in this Unity project. And you can do literally anything. For example, in the latest demo, I made this shader with Claude Code, this shader of the glass, which is configurable, and we can change anything we want in this shader. And by the way, the cube is already here somewhere. Let me double check. Oh yeah, it's inside of the ship, just because I asked it to put it in that position. Here we go. We have the cube. Looks good. Let me move this stuff a bit. Yeah. All right. And that's it. So you can do whatever you want. That's actually the full tutorial. Very simple, right? All right, guys. Have good luck with AI in game development, and give this video a like if you like it, and subscribe. It's going to be more content later in the future. See you guys.